Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to password protect an Excel spreadsheet. Before I begin, like this video, comment down below if it's helped you, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So password protecting an Excel spreadsheet. Why would you want to do this? Well, maybe you have an important invoice, or maybe you have bills that you're organizing through, or maybe you just have important numbers that you don't want people to see. I want to show you how to password protect it. I know I went in a previous video how to password protect a Word document. This is how to do an Excel spreadsheet. So let's just jump right into it. You want to go down to here, type the search, and type in Excel, and click on whatever version you have. Click on Excel. All right, so I'm going to pick an example just for the purposes of this video, but this can be done, this password protection can be done to anything. If it's a spreadsheet that you make, it can be done to any spreadsheet that's in Excel. So I'm going to pick this one, blue invoice, seems fitting. Hit create, this template. All right, so say I've had a total cost here and I had a couple numbers. Excuse me. I want to password protect this document. I don't want people to see it. I just want to keep it for my eyes only. You want to go up here to File, okay? And see how it says Info and it says Protect Workbook. Control what types of changes people can make to this workbook. Click on Protect Workbook. From here, click on Encrypt with Password. Now make a password. It can be anything. Just know that if you lose or forget the password that you create, it cannot be recovered. So I'm not going to say make an easy password, but just make it something that you can always memorize or keep in the back of your head. So I'm going to use the word password as password, but don't do that. Please don't do that at all. So hold on. Hit OK. And then re-enter it. Okay. So now it's password protected. As you can see, there's yellow background. It highlighted itself. So I'm going to do a save as, and I'm just going to click on this PC, go to my desktop, go to my desktop one more time on the File Explorer menu, and just hit save. I'm going to close out of here. Here is our document, blue invoice. If I double click it, it asks for that password. Hopefully you remembered it, or whatever password you created. I'll put in my password as password. Again, do not make any password the word password. I'm going to hit OK. And there it is. We're inside our Excel spreadsheet that was password protected for your eyes, my eyes only. So hopefully this video helped on how to password protect an Excel spreadsheet. I'll link down below on how to password protect the Word document. That was one of my previous videos. And then my next upload will be how to password protect a PowerPoint document. So like this video, comment down below if it's helped you, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and just let me know if you want me to go over anything that you can think of. If you have any questions about anything, about this, about any topics that you're just curious about, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help, and I'll make videos and just help my subscribers the best I can. So have a good one, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.